Today, I'm going to show you how to get instant pain relief for low back pain with an easy Tai Chi exercise and Qigong exercise. I'm going to teach you how to use an ancient Chinese Tai Chi Chuan or Tai Chi Qigong technique called sawing the joints to get instant pain relief for back pain, whether you have low back pain or neck pain. Also, it doesn't matter whether your pain is from osteoarthritis, a back injury, a herniated disc, or general arthritis. Sawing the joints is effective. I myself have 7 herniated discs, but I have no back pain. Let's get started. When I'm moving down here, I'm visualizing each vertebrae. So the first one, where my skull rests on top of I'm imagining my skull is floating a little bit off of the first vertebrae. Do it with me. You can do it seated, it doesn't matter. You just float up. So it's kind of like you're gathering up this energy, which is high frequency and light. So think of it as helium. And as you press down, you're filling your body with that helium. So now your cervical spine opens up. The atlantoaxial skull resting on the top one floats up and creates a little space. And then you can see each vertebrae creating a little space. And then into your thoracic, which for me is a little harder to feel, but I just visualize it. And I feel that it's creating space in between every single vertebrae. And then our low back especially, right? And in order to do that, you have to release here. You can't be pressing up because then you're compressing. You have to let this hang and then create the space in between each vertebrae. Or if you're seated, you can feel it into your sit bones. That's the equivalent of letting this bottom half hang. And now you can open up the vertebrae. Yeah. Do you feel a difference in your body? Can you feel a different proprioceptive feedback? So then you memorize that feeling as a whole. And then you can revisit that and you can turn it on like a light switch rather than having to go down every single vertebrae. So if I feel like my posture's, I'm working on the computer or I'm in the car or I'm standing in line and I feel like my posture is deteriorating, then I go to that feeling of sawing the spine, and now I can be there in a nanosecond. So then you don't have to go through each individual vertebrae. So we practice these things so that we can really feel the nuances. You visualize it, but then you need to feel it as well. Oh, you gather it, you lift the skull off the top, like as though it's just lightly floating. And then you've got this lifting off of each vertebrae. You're visualizing the space created between each vertebrae as you move down. And you let your lower body hang. And then once you're there, once you've completed that sequence, don't overanalyze it, just feel it. Like when you go into a body of warm water, you don't analyze that. You go, oh, that feels warm, right? Or cold water, ooh, that's cold water. It's just there, it's just a feeling. That's what you're doing here. Now feel this. Now, shake it off. Maybe walk around a little bit. Get back into it. Stand into your Tai Chi posture. Let that lower body just hang. And try to go for that feeling. And boom, there it is. It'll get there quicker the more you practice this. So you're practicing the feeling of it. I think the more we start to take action physically, or we analyze it and we're like, okay, crown of the head up, tailbone down, knees forward, and have our checklist, we're just getting in the way. And if you have how it feels, then your body can go back to that more quickly. That's how we learn motor skills.